Good morning, student. I am going to continue chapter 6, seeds, structure and germination. Dear students, in this video I am going to explain you about the types of germination. So, before I explain you about the types of germination, first let us know what do you mean by the term germination. Germination. Germination is a process Germination is a process of formation of seedling developed from embryo. So dear student, what do you mean by the germination? Germination is the process of formation of seedling. Formation of seedling which is being developed from the embryo. What do you mean by the embryo? A baby plant which used to remain inside the seed. Now let us know about the types of germination. Types of germination. Dear student, basically germination are of three types: apical germination, hypogeal germination, and a special type of the germination known as viviparous germination or known as a vivipary germination. So let us see first apical germination. Apical germination. The type of germination, in which radical emerges first and push the seed above the ground. Is known as apical germination. Apical germination. Example: castor and bean. So dear student, let us know what do you mean by the apical germination. The type of the germination in which radical. What do you mean by the radical? Root system. Only root system. Means first radical used to come out. Radical used to come out and push the seed above the ground. Above the ground means seed is above the ground. sitting above the ground, known as apical germination, and this type of the germination is shown by castor and bean. Let us know second type of germination. This is hypogeal germination. Hypogeal germination. The type of the germination, in which pluvule emerges first and seed remain under the ground. Is known as hypogeal germination. Example: pea and gram. So dear student, in this type of the germination, what we see, pluvule emerges first. Pluvule means early shoot system. Early shoot system is to emerge first and seed remain under the ground. Means seed is remain under the ground. Such type of the germination is known as a hypogeal germination. For example, this type of the germination is being shown by pea and gram. So dear students, we came to know about the two type of the germination, apigeal and hypogeal. Now you see the third type of the germination known as viviparous germination. What do you mean by the viviparous germination? The type of the germination in which seed used to germinate inside the fruit known as vivipary germination or viviparous germination. And this type of the germination is seen in the plant like mangrove plants. And the type of the mangrove plants are like Rhizophora and Solanaceae. These are the two type of the plant of mangrove plants which used to grow in the marshy area, and as the seed used to germinate, as it is being remain internally in the fruit, the root used to come out, and when it fall, fix to the marshy soil. So dear student, according to the germination of the seed, three type of the germination. As I told you about the apigeal, hypogeal and vivipary germination or viviparous germination. So dear student, in this video this much only. So please you read the topic, the type of the germination, and try to learn about the type of germination with examples. Thank you dear students.